Editing estimates in QuickBooks Online can feel heavy during revisions, client updates, or quote cleanup. If you need to update dates, fix descriptions, adjust products or services, or correct quantities and amounts, doing it one by one takes time, and it is easy to miss something. In this video, I'll show you how to edit estimates in QuickBooks Online using 𝐐𝐻. You export the estimates to Excel, make the changes once, and update them back into QuickBooks. I will also show a faster live edit option for quick fixes on a few estimates.
To start 30-day free trial of 𝐐𝐻, just click the link in the description to get started today. Now inside QuickBooks Online, go to Apps, search for 𝐐𝐻, and install it. Approve the connection and you land 𝐐𝐻 Dashboard. After logging in and connecting your QuickBooks company, go to Download. On the Filter and Export page, choose Estimates from the drop-down. Next, set up your filters to pull only the estimates you want to change. Select your date type and set your date range. Choose Simple Mapping. Click Search to load the estimate records based on the filters you applied. Review the results, select the estimates you want to edit, and click Download. Choose CSV or XLSX and save the file. Open the downloaded file in Excel. Do not change the key reference columns and any internal identifiers. 𝐐𝐻 uses these to match the existing estimates. Update only the fields you want to change, such as date, product or service, description, quantity, rate, amount, memo, class, or location. For example, here I am editing the product, quantity, and amount for this estimate. If you edit quantity, rate, or amount, make sure the total amount matches the unit price multiplied by the quantity. Save the file after you finish your edits. After making the changes, go back to 𝐐𝐻. This time, choose Modify from the dashboard and select Estimates as the transaction type. Upload the edited file. On the review screen, check that the columns in your file are mapped correctly to QuickBooks fields, especially the fields you just edited. When everything looks correct, click Preview and then click Update QuickBooks to apply the changes to your estimates. To verify the results, switch back to your QuickBooks Online account and open the estimate. Confirm that the updated values match what you changed in Excel. If you only need to fix a few estimates quickly, you can use 𝐐𝐻 Live Edit, then click Ready to Edit. You will see two ways to find what you want to edit. Edit by searching lets you filter and pull estimates using options like date type and date range. Edit by reference lets you pull specific estimates directly using their reference numbers. For this example, I am choosing Edit by searching. Select Estimates from the drop-down. Choose your date type and set your date range, then click Search. 𝐐𝐻 will load the matching estimates in a table. From here, you can click into any editable field you want to change. For example, here I am editing the line description field for the selected estimate. Once you are done, click Submit to push the changes back to QuickBooks Online. After the update is processed, open the estimate in QuickBooks Online and verify the change. That's how you can edit estimates using Excel or quickly fix a few with Live Edit without opening each entry in QuickBooks Online. Try the free trial for your next cleanup or month-end review.